Hello, everybody. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd day of April, 2013. My name is Derek. Welcome to today's video. Let's start off within the silver charts, then we'll finish it off a little bit within Boston. And sideways movement ever since the large two-day smackdown. See the prices going down from 28 to 22, or that of a greater than 20% decline in a short period of time. This 18 average last touched here, still a decent ways away right now. Overall, what's going to come first? 26, we'll say, which is 316 away, but 15% move, or about a break below 20, pretty much the same movement. I'd have to say a break below 20, as you can say, well, what's the fundamentals say? Well, the fundamentals tell us that the true supply demand means absolute crap for the movements of these charts. And whatever the bankers feel or can or will be doing is what's going to come into play. Now, what they feel and can do right now, you know, and I don't really know too much, but I do feel they're capable of making this go lower, if of course that's what they want. Weekly term time frame, we can see the key 26 level, which has had a clear break below. That's now a resistance area. I've said this before, I'll say it again, whether this is a bottom now or whether it's the 18 area as the bottom. I would expect a run up to the low 26s and a pullback down to around 24, and then from that point on, whatever, basically. We also take a look here that we got a lot of red candles in a row here. In fact, we are coming off of 6 consecutive down weeks in a row starting here when the price was up to 30. And last week it was down 10.78%. This week thus far, down 1.5%. Over the last 100 periods, it's down 40%, down 54 from here, and even more since the $50 top. That's a large move to the downside. So I just wonder how lucky it must be to be able to be recently waking up to what's going on and then seeing how you're getting an amazing discount on these silver prices right now. To me, that's I gotta say that's lucky. But the big risk of silver these days is, will the manipulation be able to come to an end, which to me, the only way it can continue further is if the masses allow it to happen, thus a lack in the wake-up call movement. Final chart will be the monthly chart. Then again, I want to go over Glenn Beck a little bit, and not much more to say here other than I'd be looking for this key area to be support. Now, last week, I was a little surprised originally to see that a Boston Red Sox game was delayed, suspended, or be played sometime later on. And when I saw that, I was saying to myself, now that's very interesting. On the quote unquote lockdown, you would think if something like that were to occur, that it would have happened on Monday or Tuesday night. But yeah, to me, it seems everything that's been occurring lately, that the Cyprus stuff and everything seems to be a bunch of test drills. I could be wrong, but I'm just going with what I see. Do your own research, for you may see something differently. Okay, now Glenn Beck came out and said that he's got documents with stamps stating it was somebody else, somebody with like a billion different letters to their name, more like 40. A Saudi, that is. Now, what the legitimacy of that, you know, I really don't know, but I'm looking for a game changer to take place. I expect one soon as in the next few months to years, but I don't think it's going to be Glenn Beck. And thank you for tuning in to this video, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.